Lisa, you need to get up. Lisa, you need to get up. Today is an important day. Today is an important day. I'm scared, Dad. I'm scared, Dad. Why are you afraid, Lisa? Why are you afraid, Lisa? Today, the new school year begins. Today, the new school year begins. You should be happy. You should be happy. I had the worst report card in class. I had the worst report card in class. Everyone will laugh at me. Everyone will laugh at me. Don't worry, that's not going to happen. Don't worry, that's not going to happen. Come on, let's have breakfast. Come on, let's have breakfast. Maybe it will help you feel better. Maybe it will help you feel better. Okay, Dad. Okay, Dad. What's the matter, Lisa? What's the matter, Lisa? You haven't touched your pancakes at all. You haven't touched your pancakes at all. Can I stay home today, Mom? Can I stay home today, Mom? Why is that? Why is that? I don't want to go to school. I don't want to go to school. Mr. Smith must be disappointed. Mr. Smith must be disappointed. But you have to go to school, sweetheart. But you have to go to school, sweetheart. It's important for your future. It's important for your future. Okay, Mom. Okay, Mom. You have to go now. You have to go now. Dad is waiting for you in the car. Dad is waiting for you in the car. This is going to be your year, Lisa. This is going to be your year, Lisa. I'm sure of that. I'm sure of that. I hope so too, Dad. I hope so too, Dad. You've been studying all summer. You've been studying all summer. You are so prepared. You are so prepared. Don't be afraid, Lisa. Don't be afraid, Lisa. You can do it. You can do it. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Dad. I will pick you up at 2 p.m. I will pick you up at 2 p.m. Okay, see you later. Okay, see you later. Hey, Lisa, nice to see you again. Hey, Lisa, nice to see you again. How was your summer? How was your summer? My summer was boring. My summer was boring. I was just learning. I was just learning. I need to get better grades this year. I need to get better grades this year. What did you do? What did you do? My summer was great. My summer was great. We flew to Italy. We flew to Italy. There we ate a lot of pizza and ice cream. There we ate a lot of pizza and ice cream. I want to go to Italy. I want to go to Italy. Shall we go in? Shall we go in? Classes start in 5 minutes. Classes start in 5 minutes. Yeah, let's go in. Yeah, let's go in. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the new school year. Welcome to the new school year. Before we begin, Lisa, the principal wants to talk to you. Before we begin, Lisa, the principal wants to talk to you. Why does the principal want to talk to me? Why does the principal want to talk to me? I don't know. I don't know. Go to her now, please. Go to her now, please. Okay, Mr. Smith. Okay, Mr. Smith. Now I'm even more afraid. Now I'm even more afraid. Hello. Hello. Lisa Peters, nice to finally meet you. Lisa Peters, nice to finally meet you. Why am I here? Why am I here? I would like to help you get motivated. I would like to help you get motivated. I've seen your report card. I've seen your report card. I think you're very smart. I think you're very smart. But you need to have the right kind of motivation. But you need to have the right kind of motivation. What would you like to be when you grow up? What would you like to be when you grow up? I don't know. I don't know. What do you like to do for fun? What do you like to do for fun? Well, I like animals. Well, I like animals. Oh, so maybe you want to become a veterinarian? Oh, so maybe you want to become a veterinarian? Yes, I would love that. Yes, I would love that. Then you need to make an effort. Then you need to make an effort. Because only the best in class can make that happen. Because only the best in class can make that happen. Okay, I will do that. Okay, I will do that. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Where was Sarah on vacation? A, Spain. B, Italy. C, Greece. Leave a comment. Where was Sarah on vacation? A, Spain. B, Italy. sea grease? Leave a comment.